What's going on, everybody? My name is Amel and welcome to my channel once again. And in today's video we will unbox the M-Audio M-Track 2x2. We will open up the box, see what's inside, and try to keep this video short and simple. So let's get started. Alright guys, let's get started. As you can see in the top of the box you have the interface itself, and at the bottom left corner it gives you some software that's included with the package. So what you get is basically Cubase LE, that's the light version of Cubase, Expand 2, you get Strike, Mini Grant, and also the Air Creative FX collection that was made famous by Pro Tools. If you go to the side, it just shows the interface once again, and then in the back it just gives you some features and some package contents that come with the interface. So yeah, let's open up the box, try to keep it short and simple, and right away you open it up. I'm guessing this is where, yeah, you get the manual and the download card to go and download all the software. Yeah, just put that there. Quickly open it up. Alright, let's see. So yeah, the manual and some important safety instructions and warranty information. You get the download cards. And that's it for that, basically. And then inside of here is the interface. So let's quickly take it out of here. Let's put it to the side for a sec. And these are the USB cables you get, USB-C and just a regular cable, depending on what you run. It's good to have both in case you change up your setup. And this is the interface itself, so just like that. It's got a little weight to it. Me personally, I like things that have a little bit of weight to it. Makes me feel a lot safer in case it falls or something. I feel like it's a lot more sturdier. So this is the interface. Wow, it's nice. I like it. I bought this for myself. I do a little bit of music on the side, so yeah, I can't wait to try it out. If you have any questions regarding the interface or anything, shoot me a message or comment on the video. I will have a full review on this once I use it and get the hang of it. I'll let you know my opinion about it. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and you guys be safe out there, and peace out.